Welcome to another Prime Reacts. You know, I'm sitting here watching the Super Bowl. It's pretty boring. So I got some clips. And I was like, hey, why don't I just do a real quick Reacts video? So, without ado, just jump right into it. This person decided they're going to just go sledding. Look at this dude. Look at this. I know they're not okay. Look, they definitely going to the emergency room. It's a lock. They need to get some Prime. I love this bear. I don't know why. It does all kinds of crazy things. I know this has to be like from Japan or something, but I love this bear. Oh, you're going to see more of the bear. I hope you like the bear too. Okay, this is the 3rd Street Tunnel. If like rush hour traffic, it's wall-to-wall cars. This is right down Washington, D.C., like seriously, like 15 minutes from where I'm at right now if I drive past. 3 in the morning, this is the shit that's happening. This is my people. But this guy always drops knowledge and kills it like a G.
Let me tell you something, right? People that's holding grudges against you,
not good to hold on to grudges.
You might have done in your past, it's only gonna block their blessings. You know why? Because God has forgiven them.
He tries to make the world a better place.
God forgive you.
Kind of like me.
And don't forget that shit, you heard?
Drink Prime. Negativity, hate darkness. Drink a Prime. Fattest cat in the world award goes to that guy. Oh man, Char Char would love this fatty. Oh, Garfield. He fell. I be killing it like a G, like a little mini ninja. Last time you just ignored me and didn't even react. But now I sang a song. Yeah. And you're real mad at someone, you do this. And here's Super Dave.
You're gonna shoot me.
Super Dave really tries to just be smooth with it.
And bow.
He tries to be smooth with it. But
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
He's not.
We're stopping. No, we're not.
Here's the next video. Oh, I love bikes. Oh, yeah. Double flipping back, super bike flipping, me flipping, everything landed and me being super happy. I try to be smooth with it, but I'm not.